with the
With the help of
eyes.
eyes. Very good. Good answer. So today our topic is the human eye. The human eye. The human eye. First of all, we see the diagram. I draw the diagram. First of all, see, because this is the eye diagram. See carefully. Please. Roll my glass. This is the diagram of the eye. Optic nerve. Nucleus humor. This is the real muscles. Next, this is the iris. Pupil. Lens. This part is aqueous. This is the cornea. This is the diagram of the eye. First of all, the human eye is the one of the most valuable and sensitive sense organs. Okay. The human eye is the one of the most valuable and sensitive sense organs. Sense organs. It will enable us to see. It enable us to see the wonderful world and colors see to the eye. Wonderful world and colors to around us we see the eye. Unclosing the eyes, when identify the objectives. When identify objectives on closing the eyes, they are occurring by smell. A little amount of structure, structure like the objective can identify the smell, taste, and make a sound, and to touch by the touch. When closing the eyes, we identify the objectives by the little amount of structure like smell or you taste and make a sound by the touch. When however impossible to identify the colors by closing the eyes. Okay? When closing the eyes, it is the all sensitive organs. The eye is the most significant. The eye is the most significant ones of the see the wonderful world and colors you can see around also. Okay. Mainly the eye is like the human eye is like a camera. Like a camera. It lens form a image. The lens form a image. Okay, to sensitive formed membrane called retina. These are the retina. This is the retina. Lens form a image. Lens form a image to thin membrane called retina. Okay. When the light enters the eye with a thin membrane is called cornea. This thin membrane called cornea. Okay. Cornea forms a transparent bulb. Cornea forms a transparent bulb. Bulb means this shape. Transparent bulbs on the outer surface of the eyeball. Outer surface of the eyeball. The eyeball is approximately spherical shape. Which shape? Spherical shape. Spherical shape means round, like round, and its diameter is about of 2.3 centimeters. The eyeball is spherical in shape and its diameter is about of 2.3 centimeters. Okay. When the refraction of the eye enter into the cornea, when refraction of the light rays enter into the cornea, outer surface of the cornea. Refraction of the light, the lens when enter into the cornea, the light rays, this lens are transparent. This lens adjustable to the light into the retina. The transparent lens enter into the light. It is adjustment into the heavy light enter into the eye. It adjustment the lens into the retina. Okay. When it has a light structure is called iris. This iris are dark muscular and controls the size of the pupil. Iris is the dark muscular diaphragm and controls the size of the pupil. Size of the this is the pupil. The size adjustment the size of the pupil. When the pupil, what are then? The pupil are controls the enter into the light directly retina to control and adjustment the light. Control and adjustment the light in the surface of the cornea. Pupil controls the heavy light in surface of the adjustment and control the cornea. Okay. When cornea have, when enter into the light, cornea have some light sensitive. Cornea have light sensitive cells. Cornea have light sensitive cells, and this cornea is a delicate membrane in the eyeball, and the cornea have light sensitive cells. These light sensitive cells activated or generated by the give electrical signals. When the light is enter the cornea have light sensitive cells. These light sensitive cells activated or generated and give the electrical signals. These electrical signals go to through the optic nerve via optic nerve, go to the brain via optic nerve. Okay. When the brain is receive the electrical signals and give the give the messages to our organs. Okay. These are the human eye structures and these things.